Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on pet care with PetSmart easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by visiting the PetSmart website. Look for the deals section on the homepage. Browse through the current promotions and discounts available. Take note of any specific items or categories that interest you. Next, sign up for PetSmart's rewards program. This program often provides exclusive discounts and offers to members. After signing up, check your email for welcome bonuses. Make sure to look for coupon codes that can be applied online or in-store. Visit the clearance section of the website or store. This area usually has deeply discounted items awaiting new homes. Consider using PetSmart's price match guarantee. If you find a competitor offering a lower price, PetSmart will match it. Review the weekly ad for local discounts and feature specials. These ads can lead you to additional savings on popular products. Explore the option of buying pet supplies in bulk. Bulk buying can save money over time, especially for frequently used products. Check for pet adoption events hosted by PetSmart. Often, these events provide free initial care packages for new pets. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales during holidays. These sales can feature significant discounts on pet care items. Lastly, follow PetSmart on social media for flash sales and limited-time discounts. Engaging with their posts may also give you access to special offers. By following these steps, you can effectively save on pet care at PetSmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.